Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learning with Sarita. In this session, we will discuss a compulsory problem in Unit 8 Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter of Class 12 Physics. The problem is a radiation of wavelength 300 nanometer is incident on a silver surface. Will photoelectrons be observed? Work function of the silver is 4.7 electrovolt. What are the data given? Here the wavelength lambda. That is the wavelength lambda 300 nanometer. Here it is given in nanometer. So we are converting it into meter. That is 300 into 10 power minus 9 meter. And to the work function of the silver. Work function of silver is given. That is phi naught value is given. Work function of silver phi naught is equal to 4.7 electrovolt. What is asked? We have to find whether photoelectrons are observed or not. Here what we have to do is we have to find the energy of the incident photon and find whether this energy is greater or lesser than the work function of silver. If the energy of the incident photon is greater than the work function of the silver, the photoelectrons will be observed. And if the energy of the incident photon is less than the work function of silver, photoelectrons will not be observed. So what we are going to do is we are going to find whether this energy of the incident photon is greater or lesser than the work function of silver. So first we have to write the formula for the energy of the incident photon. Energy E is equal to h nu. And this energy h nu expression in joules is written as hc by lambda. And in our problem, we need the calculations in electrovolt. So we have to write the formula hc by lambda E electrovolt. And next we are going to substitute the values of h, c, lambda and E. Here you see the h value, c and E. All these are constants and these three values we must have known by heartedly. H, C and E. Only the value of lambda is given in this problem. So H value is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 into C value 3 into 10 power 8 divided by lambda value 300 into 10 power minus 9 into E value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Okay. So only if you know the values of H, C and E, you can solve this problem easily. For calculation, here first I group the numbers on one side and write the exponent values on the numerator. Okay. Here you write 6.626 into 3. Then into 10 power minus 34 plus 8 divided by 300 into 1.6. And this 10 power minus 9 is written as plus 9 on the numerator. And the 10 power minus 19 on the denominator is written as plus 19 on the numerator. Okay. Now I do simple cancellations. Here I cancel the 6.626 and 1.6 using two table. I get 3.313 and 0.8. Then I cancel 3 and 300. I get 100 on the denominator. And then I can cancel this 10 power 2 and this 100 also. So I get 3.313 divided by 0.8. Now we can introduce log. So log of 3.313 divided by 8. Log of 3.313 divided by 0.8 is nothing but log of 3.313 minus log 0.8. In step 1, we have to write the given number in scientific notation. So the number 3.313 is written as log 3.313 into 10 power 0. And the number 0.8 is written as log 8.0 into 10 power minus 1. because I have to bring the decimal to this side. So 10 power minus 1 is given. And now in the step 2, we have to write the power value in whole number part and write the log value in decimal number part. So log of 3.313 into 10 power 0, the power value 0 is written in the whole number part. And the log value 3 on the margin side, 1 on the top and 3 on the mean difference must be 4. The number 3 on the margin side, 1 on the top. And for 3, the number 4 must be added. So 5198 plus 4 will be 5202. And then log 8.0 into 10 power minus 1 is written as minus 1 as bar 1 in the whole number part, and the log value 80 on the margin side and 0 on the top. 80 on the margin side and 0 on the top is 9031 and written on the decimal number part. So now I have to subtract these two values. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 0. So I borrow 1 from 2. So 10 minus 3 is 7 and here is 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Here 5 minus 9. 5 is less than 9. So what I have to do, I need 1. So I have to add 1 and subtract 1 to the whole number part and borrow that plus 1. And this 5 becomes 15. So 15 minus 9 will be 6. And here minus 1, minus of minus 1. Minus 1, minus of minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 0.6171. Next, we have to find the antilog in step 3. So write the whole number in the power value and write antilog value in scientific notation. Okay, now for antilog of 0.6171, we have to write the whole number in the power value. Here 0. So the power value will be 10 power 0. And find 6 on the margin side, 7 on the top and 1 on the mean difference in the antilog table. Here 6 on the margin side, 7 on the top and 1 on the mean difference. The value will be 4140 plus 1, that is 4141. Antilog value must be written in scientific notation. So I have written 4.141 into 10 power 0. And this is E is equal to 4.14 electrovolt. Here our given work function value is 4.7. Now we are going to compare this with that value. You see 4.14 is less than 4.7. That is the energy of the incident photon. 4.14 electrovolt is less than the energy, that is the work function of the silver, 4.7 electrovolt. So what we observe, no photoelectrons will be emitted.